Alang itu bang truk ambong sepiring wila bang surong itu palong podon mali itu. Lasi doni pong kejut siapa nasi ketipen itu recade people sedang alang itu mapan. Ase ketipen. Nili second runners up kelong. Mati second runners up. Ang deng pensi nili kehempon pang cengpo. But before that, may I have the privilege to invite esteemed judge to kindly come up and join us onto the stage for the presentation ceremony. Kindly. Don Marleto, Commander Bang Pisik Hypo, Sini Manangleto. Any guesses from the audience? None ponga sekete penel toma judges atum phantame lituma sekete pen Richard F. Ponsenang alang litum kecing pendon kijut an alang litum kangsai nakacepadong pidun pada pot itu ma judges to phanta choro perfect lo. So at this point in time, the organizer would like to do the honor to esteemed judge of the prestigious Miss KYF competition 2026. So I'd like to request the organizer to take their time. Secretary Richard F. Pidun sedang Don Marleto. Tangse Don Marleto non banking ilitum kacong hong igding labang so Arizal ilitum pangdak polo neng. So we'll start calling with the second runner-up of the Miss KYF 2026 and the second runner-up of Miss KYF 2026 goes to contestant number. Any guesses from the audience? Come on, louder. And the second runners-up of Miss KYF 2026 goes to contestant number. It goes to contestant number 14. 1-4. Please put your hands together for contestant number 14. And can we have the music, please? Congratulations to you, contestant number 14. As you are the second runner-up of the Miss KYF 2026. And to give away the award, may I invite our sponsors, Karbi Production, Singation, to come up to the stage and kindly do the honor to the second runner-up of Miss KYF 2026. The second runner-up of. Also would like to request the second runner-up of Miss KYF 2025 to kindly crown her to our second runner-up. Once again, can we have a big round of applause for her, people? Alang ligay today, kinam tanga singkan surili ni Ryan Kuarapo, second runner-up kasi palong po na bang kilo. The second runners-up of Miss KYF 2026 will walk away with a check of rupees 20,000 with a bouquet, a sash, and a certificate as well. So now may I invite Sarajdeep Qatar to kindly do the honor to a second runners-up of Miss KYF 2026. And at this point in time, she is being felicitated with a sash. Come on, once again, can we have a big round of applause? A bouquet, a memento, and a check of rupees 20,000. The second runners-up of Miss KYF 2026 will walk away with a check of rupees 20,000. Thank you so much, sir. Boleh pokok saya kita beri tanda people sedang. And now it's time to announce the first runners-up. Please stop the music for a few minutes. Kindly stop the music for a few minutes. Kindly stop the music for a few minutes. Yeah, thank you. And now it's time to announce the first runners-up of the Miss KYF 2026. Any guesses from the audience? And the first runners-up of Miss KYF 2026. And it goes to contestant number. Contestant number. Any guesses from the audience? Presenting you the first runners-up of Miss KYF 2026. And it goes to contestant number 12. 1, 2. Contestant number 12. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 12? Congratulations to you, contestant number 12, as you are the first runners-up of Miss KYF 2026. Also, at the meantime, I would also like to invite the first runners-up of Miss KYF 2025 to kindly bring the crown and present it to the first runners-up of the Miss KYF 2026. Noon po sa itibin returned because na doon malito alang ligay today kinapta ka singkan surini ray ko na po first runners-up katsipala po na bang pilon lasidon alang lihin pesi pinang singkan kahit po na bang pipan crown pajir podik po. To give away the sash, may I invite Nora Mem to kindly present the sash to the first runners-up of the Miss KYF 2026. And the first runners-up is sponsored by Sarites Inghi, Executive Member, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The first runners-up of Miss KYF 2026 will walk away with a check of rupees 30,000. And on behalf of Sarites Inghi, Executive Member, Karbi Autonomous Council, I would like to request Samir Jengkro, a judge of this evening, to kindly hand over the check to the first runner-up of Miss KYF 2026. Once again, may I invite Cyber Genko, judge of this ceremony, to hand over the bouquet and a check of rupees 30,000 on behalf of Karbi Singhi, Executive Member of the Autonomous Council. Once again, can we have a big round of applause, people? All the point, the masing the midway started people sedang. Ilito kacing honor judge and elit pensi at check. Sorry, check and personally bouquet Pajur Polo. Rite Singhi, Akihai, EM, KAC, Ahit Pasir Bansodong A sponsor sporting law. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now it's time to announce the winner of Miss KYF 2026. So audience, any guesses? Sorry, I can't hear you. Louder! Louder! And the winner of Miss KYF 2026 is contestant number. But before that, the winner of Miss KYF 2026 will walk away with a check of rupees 50,000. And now it's time to announce, and it goes to contestant number. All right, people. The winner of Miss KYF 2026 goes to contestant number 2. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 2, the winner of the Miss KYF 2026? Which congratulations to contestant number 6, and you are the winner of the Miss KYF 2026. And also in the meantime, I would also like to request the winner of Miss KYF 2025 to kindly bring the crown to the stage and present it to the Miss KYF 2026. Alangli, hello today, kadamtang asingtan, kacipahay po naman pilot, surihin na ikoy na po. Kung alanglihin pesi, pinengkahay po naman piyapan na masokang pajiponik po. And to give away the check, bouquet, and a memento, may we please invite Sir Atik Diso and his team to kindly come over to the stage and join us for the presentation ceremony. Kindly, sir. And let me tell you guys, this award is sponsored by Sir Atik Diso. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for Sir Atik Diso? Alang lihin pesi lebang sonong kerap matik pipajut dulu alang lihin pesti. At this point in time, Miss KYF 2026 is being felicitated with a sash, a bouquet, a memento, and a check of rupees 50,000. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for our sponsors, Sir Atik Diso, Choropa Piglo. Thank you so much, sir. And now we are going to witness the first work as Miss KYF 2026. Non ilito mapan penega cepai pola P. Miss KYF 2026 alangli hilpen ilito panon work kena ilito pana pakla ponik po. Can we have the music, please? Non alali to be pencil to pan, walking on Paklabo for the manager, getting a chipad on about P. Once again, can we have a big round of applause? Return everyone's level manager and the winner of this 2026. The station along with her, the second renaissance and the first renaissance of the Miss KYF 2026. Now we shall have a room of conversation with our panel judges of the shooting and also the organizer of the Miss KYF 2026. And all our guests, our invited guests, our sponsors, you are kindly requested to come up onto the stage and join us for the photo session. May we request all our sponsors of our today's event, our invited guests, our chief guests, and our esteemed panel of judges to kindly come up onto the stage and join us for the photo session. Once again, I would like to request our invited guests, our sponsors of today's event, a panel of judges to kindly come up to the stage and join us for the photo session. Kindly.